Hey guys, welcome back to the Aino tutorial series where we're teaching you how to be an expert in GIS analysis. Today, I'm going to show you a simple site analysis workflow that architects complete in just minutes. So first, they pick the building they're going to analyze or the plot of land that their building will be on. In this example, we're going to analyze a building block in the area of Eixample, Barcelona. So we start by defining the perimeter with a polygon and create the buffer of the area that we want to analyze. In this example, I chose a 1 kilometer radius. I then ask for the layers that I want, such as buildings, roads, and parks. And in the meantime, I'm going to edit the appearance. Site analysis visualization is never linear, and Aino supports this creative process. Buildings, roads, and parks are commonly surfaced in site analysis. I can also add more advanced layers like foot traffic in order to understand which areas are busier. And once the map is complete, I can export the top view, or I can enable 3D view and export. Now stick around because in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 15-minute city analysis.